afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl, Tara Love Diva, women 50 and beyond. Today is all day football. My New York Giants, go Giants. We play the Eagles today, and according to the stats, they only saying Giants by 7 and the Eagles by 7.5. We got this, Giants. We got this. So, welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I've been up filming and talking and working on business stuff. Look at this hair. My curling iron had a funeral. I had to give it a funeral the other day. If you watch my Instagram, you seen I gave it a funeral because I had to put duct tape on it to use it one last time. And then I got my new curling iron. I didn't film it because I really wanted to throw it out the window. That was a waste of my $52. Now the curling iron that just died, I had that curling iron since 2007. This is 2022. That's how long. And I used that curling iron faithfully. Woo! All the time. Okay, there we go. I used that curling iron faithfully. It's a good thing I'm not going outside today because it's kind of rainy and ugly out there anyway. So I had to send that curling iron back. Was going back. I just packaged it up so it can go back. Then sometime this week, I'm going to go get me a curling iron from the beauty supply store. I'd rather spend $60 on something I know is going to last me forever. So $60 is good. I don't know how much the curling irons are now at the beauty supply store. They might be on sale. Who knows? But we're going to get one. So with that being said, if you are new, welcome to my channel. And if you are OG, welcome back to my channel. Today's video for Vlogmas Day 11, we are doing, it's a collaboration with me and a couple of women on YouTube. We're doing the Christmas, what is it? Christmas holiday cocktail. So this one I like because I love the White Russian version. I love White Russian. So we're going to do that one with some Christmassy flavors. So that's today's video. Now, I cut my finger. So if you see me with my finger just pointing like it's stiff, I cut my finger with a pizza cutter. Trying to clean a pizza cutter and I cut my finger. Anyway, I've been up busy all morning. So with that being said, let's get this party started because it's all day football. I'm going to fry me some chicken or maybe make some tacos. I might do the tacos. I might do tacos for lunch. So we'll see what happens when it happens because it's right now it's 12:05. I've been filming and working and stuff all morning. It's Sunday, yay. I got to figure out what to do with my hair because this is not working for me. So that's pretty much what today entails. Tomorrow will be the National Gingerbread House Day. So I have my gingerbread box here. And I'll be making that tomorrow. I love making those. It's just fun and relaxing. Woosah. So with that being said, oh yes, I want to say thank you to everyone that is still purchasing my books. And it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but one person order a book in a day, I'm fine with it because it makes me excited. But since I've launched my collection back in November, early November, October, November, yeah, early October, November, I've sold on Amazon approximately a lot. I didn't look at the numbers because I'm just excited that people actually finding my books through search. So I've sold a lot, and then yesterday, people, when I posted on Facebook and Amazon, Instagram, people was purchasing my books. And then I get text orders because I have books on hand and people want me to sign my name in their book. Thank you. So, with that being said, I will be packing orders. I'm waiting on another shipment of I'm waiting on another shipment of my books so I can have on hand because I'm seriously out. And then I'm going to make book box covers, meaning packages for my books, because I learned how to do it on Cricut. So I get to make my own. Yay for Tara. It'll save me a lot of money, because you go to the Dollar Tree and get those white boards and put it through the Cricut, and it cuts it to the book. I'm so excited. I'll probably do a video on it, maybe. But with that being said, I'm going to edit the beginning part of this video, get my stuff together, because it's it's 12-ish, and I'm going to get ready for New York Giants. Go Giants, go Giants, go Giants. So I'll keep trying to hold my stomach in, because I don't know why. I know. Anyway, long story short, I got to do something about this cut, because it keeps bleeding, and I cut it yesterday. And I need to relax. I need to make me some coffee. I'll make me a cold mocha frappuccino for lunch. Yes, so let's get into that. Okay. Oh, tonight's dinner, I don't know, I might make tacos or fry me some chicken and waffles. I'm not sure yet. 9 times out of 10 it'll be tacos. So with that being said, let me go edit this video, and I'll be back with my White Russian Christmas holiday drink. Ta-da! So hope you all have a great Sunday.